What are Google Assistant routines?
Google Assistant routines are customizable commands that let you automate multiple actions with one phrase. By setting up routines, you can control smart home devices, get weather updates, play music, and much more, all at once. Routines make your daily tasks easier and help streamline your home automation experience.
Why use routines for home automation?
Using routines allows you to manage several smart home actions together. For example, turning on lights, adjusting your thermostat, and playing your morning briefing with a single command. This saves time, reduces repetitive tasks, and helps create a seamless, personalized smart home environment.
How do you create a routine in the Google Home app?
Open the Google Home app and tap Routines. Tap the plus sign to create a new routine. Choose the trigger phrase, like "Good morning," and select the actions you want, such as adjusting lighting or announcing the weather. Save your routine. Now, when you say your chosen phrase, Google Assistant performs all assigned actions automatically.
What smart devices can be included in routines?
Routines support many smart devices such as smart lights, plugs, speakers, thermostats, locks, and more. As long as your device works with Google Assistant, it can be added to routines. This flexibility lets you create powerful automations tailored to your lifestyle and home setup.
Can routines be scheduled or automated without voice commands?
Yes, you can set routines to run on a schedule, like every morning at 7 a.m., or trigger them with specific events, such as when you dismiss an alarm. This means routines can happen automatically, no voice command required, making your smart home even more convenient and efficient.
Tips for creating effective routines.
Start with the tasks you do most often. Group related actions like turning off lights and locking doors at bedtime. Test your routine to ensure everything works smoothly. You can always edit, add, or remove actions as your habits or devices change, creating routines that grow with your needs.